Yoda man, y'all, what's up? So I got some stuff in the mail today. I got paper saying I'm gonna get some money. I got our new CIA cards. Noemi has the plus. I just have the classic basic one. And I got some stuff in the mail. This I know what it is because it was an order done the other day, and it's from Gatineau. It's a company that's local. Use a knife. Every time I go to grab a knife, most of the time it's this one I get, and it's like it has no point. So.
But I like this one. You can butter and cut at the same time you sandwich.
So, careful not to knock my coffee.
Yes. We don't want another disaster today.
I was waiting to order this. This is actually a retrofit rubber. It's a
retrofit rubber? Retro rubber?
It's a sealer to reseal your lights after you do your retrofit, which I'm going to do. Morimoto, one of the best in the world. I also got this. I'll have to show you guys an in-depth, but this is a new way to hold your HIDs in an H1 socket.
Instead of a clip.
Instead of a stupid clip, which kind of, it tilts the light wrong, so the pattern isn't right. So there'll be more in-depth into that. Where's my knife? Hiding under.
This we don't know what it is.
No idea. What, did I even order that? Oh!
Oh, what's this? Oh, wow! Awesome! I know some gels. Will come around.
So that's going. I thought it was like a graphite sticker, like I did
me
in
too.
the
I was
dash.
like, why? And it's not very large.
TN Design. That's what I'm using for suspension as soon as I get it on there. That's why I bought it. It's pretty expensive, but
It was worth it.
My windshield is so long that I could have one on the bottom and one on the top and still see fine.
Which is not
And
the
I was
thing
thinking,
on new cars now.
I want to remove my my visors because I have one that keeps flopping in my face, but I need something to hide the sun a bit. This will be perfect for me. So that's that. Homemade oatmeal and peanut butter honey mix in the morning. Good. That's what we're eating. A little bit healthier with some fruit. This is pretty cool. I don't know what condition it is in, but
oh my!
It's it's in perfect condition. It's a Chinese plate for a K car. My car is a K car, so.
Does the numbers mean something, or are they just?
It's the colors. It goes by colors.
Oh.
The colors for a K car is, well, for the weight of my EP3 is black and white. And you have some that's black and yellow. I'll actually maybe put up pictures of all the different colors and what they mean.
Okay,
I
but
actually looked
the number.
it up. I looked it up before. Oh, the number, I don't know. 4271. But I'll put a picture or a link with the different colors and what they mean.
Awesome.
So there's no unbox for now. I got to pick up another parcel at Mom's place, so we might do an unbox at Mom's later.
Yes.
Super stoked. Big investment for the channel. You guys are going to be stoked. I'm super excited to get it. And that's it. Catch you guys later. Peeps, I kind of noticed I kind of flipped you off there, but I was holding the bag with my hand, so I wanted to do this because I only had the bag in this hand, and it was the only middle finger that rose up. So, peace out, and I'm sorry for flipping you off.
Yeah.
Hey, peeps, I'm at Mom's. Got a parcel in the mail. Get fucking parcels everywhere. Parcel here, parcel there.
Ooh.
Lithium ion battery. You should put that on everything. Lithium ion battery. Do not load or transport package if damaged. So, I got cardboard in the mail today.
Oh yeah.
DJI Spark, 1080p, 30 frames a second. Drone. Alpine White. I gotta download the app from my phone. It says no one can use it that's under the age of 15. Let's open it up. Doesn't smell like Chinese plastic. Breaking the seal.
No, not it.
Front here.
Oh, wait.
Oh!
It's tight in there.
Okay, we got a little accessory box here. I think this is a charging cable. We've got the huge instruction manual, which I'm going to read over before I even use it. Got another one here.
Did you flush your toilet? Andy? T'es-tu fait envoyer le toilette? T'as-tu fait envoyer la toilette?
Flushy, got to flushy la toilette, gars. Charging brick. It's a fast charge too. So that's it for this box. It's very a lot of folding going on there. Maybe they use the same box for different accessories. It's just a different insert or whatever that goes in it. I have no idea. All right, putting the instructions back in.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Andy, viens voir ça, gars. Flush ça bien.
No, no, he's in the bathroom. Let him. C'est correct.
All right.
Ooh, this is a nice box.
It is.
Alex! No.
The gimbal.
No. Sit.
It's not really a big one, is it? It's
No,
nice.
it's tight.
Sit.
What's this?
Hey,
Battery?
sit.
Spare wings.
Oh,
Alex,
good.
Yeah.
sit here.
Calme-toi puis assis-toi, là. Ce sera pas long, mon amour, là.
That's pretty cool.
We got the area here. No SD card. Good thing I picked one up. This is your battery.
Oh my god, it's a good part of the.
The drone, yeah?
Yeah.
Power on and off. Probably have to charge it first. But you can put it in your hand and it'll take off with your hand and you can control it with your hand and
It'll
stuff.
take off with your hand.
I hope it
Go
won't.
up for the stub.
I hope it doesn't take off with my hand. But...
Sorry.
Alright, so I'll get into a more in-depth review once I actually know what's going on.
That's pretty nice.
What I'm going to do as soon as Noemi gives me back my phone, I'm going to download the app. It says to go and get it there. Rotating parts may cause damage. That's good to know.
Yeah. Don't put your hands there.
Alright guys, this is my Spark. Frown. Or a smile. Alright, I got this in yesterday. I just haven't had time to open it. I know what it is. It came in really fast. This is like, I bought this Thursday night and Friday during the day it showed up.
Look at these beauty peeps.
They're special coated so they don't scratch up rims. And with the opening of the new place, I'm going to want to take care of my clients the best I can. So we got 15, 17, 19, 21, and I just roll right by it, and 22 in its own little case. So, more tools for the shop. Catch you guys later.